Hello, how is everyone doing today? Your teacher tells me that you guys have just started learning about clouds. My name is Alexis Linares, and today I will be talking to you guys about clouds. What they are, how they're formed, and the different types of clouds that exist. So what I hope to accomplish in these few minutes that I have is not only that, but to give you guys just a better general understanding of how clouds work. And also at the end of my presentation, I will perform a demonstration just to show you that we can form clouds. So what are clouds? A cloud is defined as a visible mass of condensed water vapor in the atmosphere. Pretty much just tiny droplets of water there in the sky. So this brings us to, what are they composed of? How do they form? As we said earlier, they are tiny droplets of water. They are created from water that evaporates from rivers, lakes, and since the sky can be full of water, and the water can turns into water vapor. As the water vapor goes higher in the sky, the air gets cooler. This causes the water vapor to stick, and the water molecules will combine with tiny particles such as dust, smoke, and form cloud droplets that will eventually grow in size. Condensation also plays a role, and instead of me just confusing you guys about how this works, I have found a great short video that explains perfectly how it works. And yeah. So there are different types of clouds, of course. They are characterized by the shape and altitude in the atmosphere. As you can see here, some of the common clouds are stratus, altostratus, and cirrus, and you can see their corresponding heights. You know, stratus is below 6,000, cirrus is above 18,000. You can kind of see the difference there. So let's review. Clouds are essentially condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere, a bunch of tiny water droplets. Clouds are made high in the sky. Cold water makes them stick, causing them to grow. And finally, clouds are characterized by their shape, and their altitude in the atmosphere. Common names: stratus, altostratus, and cirrus. Okay, so now I will perform my demonstration. So what I have here is a typical pump, air pump, a glass bottle with a cork that I have drilled a hole in here. You will see why in a second. And some regular rubbing alcohol. So what I will do is I'll pour some alcohol into here, and I will then spread the alcohol around. And the reason I'm using alcohol is because it evaporates quickly, and the reason it does is because it has really weak bonds. And what that means is, just think of it as it can lose its molecules, like it just lets go of them quickly here. So once we pump it a few times, and the way this works, as I said earlier, water molecules are all around us, and when they're just bouncing freely in the atmosphere, they generally don't stick. So by pumping it, we force the molecules to stick, to compress, and by releasing the pump, we allow the air inside to expand, which causes the temperature inside to cool, and the cooling causes the molecules to stick. So when I take this cork out, a cloud should form in the bottle. Thank you guys.